In this video, we are going to see how to create a YouTube intro for free. So stay tuned. Hi, I'm Kesavan. Today, we're going to see how to create a YouTube intro for your channel, which can be added to each of your videos for free. So the software that we're going to use to create our YouTube intro for free is called placeit.net. So once you go in there, as this is not just for the YouTube intro, they have much more stuff listed in here, but today we are interested only in the YouTube intro video. So go to the video section and then say YouTube videos. In here, you can see there are loads of templates created, but it's not just for the intros that you're seeing in here. So there's much more stuff in here, video content. Also, as I said, we are interested only on free stuff. So go in the drop down and then say you only need free things to be listed. So now you got only free. So in here, you got few options in here. And also you can see if it is a free template, then you will have this banner where it says it's actually free to use. So you can just choose one of them. Remember, you can customize them. You can change the color. You can change the image, even the design in some templates. So you can just go with one that you like or that's more relevant to your niche or your channel. So I'm going to go with this one. And the good thing about this is once you choose a template, you don't need to download any software or anything like that. You can change all the elements in the website itself. It does take a bit of time because it's a video rendering, but you can do it on the website itself. You don't need to download anything. So now we got the template. So it does show the initial template video intro, how it looks, the design, and the colors, everything. So it, as you can see, it says your logo in here. So we'll start from the left. It says text. So there is a text that's appearing in the end of the video where you can say, if you'll assume it's your website name, say know your design maybe, know your design.com. So you can just say anything that you want it in there. And then you can change the text font as well if you want. So we'll go with this one. And each and every change here in the window, it is actually making the change in parallel as we change. So while it is doing, I'll explain the next step. So we can preview our change if we want, but I'll explain the other bits first. So then you can add a logo to it, which is where you need to upload an image. So I'll just upload an image and then I will choose my logo. So I'm just using my logo as an example. So if you want to crop it to be used, you don't want to see the full logo or you want to see your logo in a much bigger size, you can adjust it. Once you're happy with that, you can just say crop. And this image can be up to 1000 into 1000 pixels. So it says cropped, so this image is ready. So this is the front image. And also the other option is playback speed. By default, it comes with as a normal playback speed, which is 1. So you can either make it slower by selecting the 0.5 option, or you can make it faster by 1.5. So for example, this video is 10 seconds. So if I leave it like that, my intro will be created for 10 seconds. But if I think that's a bit longer, then I can make it shorter by choosing 1.5 option. And in the right hand side, you can choose audio. So you can just go to an edit, and there is a bunch of music that you can hear, and you can just choose anything that's relevant to your taste. Once you're happy with the image, you just need to select. Happy with the music, you just need to select, and then that will be added to the video intro. And then if there are 2 other styles that you can change, first I will show you how this one looks after explaining all the things. So I can change the background color if I want. So if I say I'll choose a white color, and then also I can change the color effects as well. So when it got played initially, it had 2 different colors. So the pink and yellow. So if I say that to change that to blue, for instance, we'll just have this as an example and we'll just run and see how this is currently looking. Remember, we changed the playback speed, we have uploaded our logo, we changed the text. So these are, and also the colors, these are the changes that we're expecting in here. So once I say preview window, each and every time when you make a change, if you want to preview it, the file will be processed. Luckily this time it doesn't say there are so many number of people before you, so you are in a queue. But at times you do get that message, so you just need to wait maybe for a minute or so. So in here it says 6 seconds. That's because I have made it as 1.5. So I will prefer it to be black. So this is the next change, and also we'll just make a bit more changes. And I will choose this design instead of the previous one. I'm quite happy with the music. Color wise, I'll choose red, and I'm happy with all these options. So now I have made a couple more changes. I've changed the background, I've changed the design itself, and also the color. So let's preview it now again. It shouldn't take usually like a minute or two. The other thing to remember is if you want to make your video a bit longer than 5 seconds, the advisable is, I think, to keep it between 5 to 10 seconds. But so you have seen all the changes that we have made. So the background has been changed, the design has been changed, and also now the color options has also been changed. So what I was explaining before is if you want to make it longer, you can add further slides. So that way the number of seconds will get increased. So I will leave that option to you to decide on how much longer your intro should be. But these are all the options that you can make, and still it says it's a free download. So if I'm happy with this, then there is one more step for me to download. If I say I want to download it, then when I click on free download, you need to log in. It is a free sign up, but you just need to log in for it to be downloaded. So I'm just logging in now, and then it says free video download. You only get this video. You can ignore this for now, and you can just say this is in HD 1920 by 1080p, and it is okay to use it for commercial as well. So I can just say free download, and now it should download the. In here it says it's processing your video, and then we will email you when it is ready. So once you get the email, I got it in the next 5 minutes when I initially did it, and then you can just come here and download. So once it's downloaded, so once you get the email, or you can see the download button in here, click here to download, it will say, and I have already downloaded my file. So once it's downloaded, you can check your file just by double clicking it, and then I can play and see. So this is your full HD, no watermark video intro for all of your YouTube videos. Hope you enjoyed this video. Good luck in creating your own intros. If you find this useful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.